In the Algonquin Highlands, building a home is an act of optimism. You're saying, yes, I'm ready for this place. The snow, the storms, the silence, the beauty. People don't choose a roof because it's a roof. They choose it because they want something to feel different. Less stress, more certainty when winter shows its teeth. That's why this home carries an Interlock Lifetime Roofing System. It stands up to the damp northern air, holds warmth where it belongs, and when snow piles high, it simply lets go, quietly, reliably. People don't buy features. They buy the future they hope for. And for this home in the Highlands, that future is simple: strength that lasts, confidence in every season, and the promise: never re-roof again.